What's up, peoples? It's Subsimpich bringing to you another Heroes Cuisine. And this time, we're doing Yawning Portal Buttermilk Biscuits. Now that looks delicious. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. However, my oven is pretty lax, so I took it up to 470. What you'll need are 3½ cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1½ teaspoons of sugar, and baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 1 2/3 cups of cold buttermilk. Grease up the pan with the 2 pieces of butter shown previous, and keep 10 other tablespoons of butter refrigerated while you're doing this. They'll be important later. Pour all the dry ingredients into the flour and mix it away with a whisk. Get your 10 pieces of refrigerated butter and basically just start breaking them apart for them to be easier to mix and easier to melt as you bake them. Pour in the buttermilk. And now get a sturdy spoon to mix it all together until it becomes a really thick lump of glop that you need. That sounds gross the way I put it, but it's what you need. Scoop all of your solution into the baking pan to start making those biscuits. Once you've smoothened it out with your hands, get a knife and cut it into ninths. Bake the biscuits in the oven for about 30 minutes, and once those 30 minutes are up, rotate them 180 degrees and bake them for another 30 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna do something different. Instead of me trying what I've made, we're gonna give the honor to rapper Prodigal Errol, or whatever his name is.
Prodigal?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, let me try it. I was just licking it, like, you know, like, okay. No, I was expecting it to not be that good, but this is actually not bad.
Oh, well, I'm glad to hear it.
It's not, like, really crumbly. It reminds me of... Don't worry about it.
Well, now I have reason to worry.
Can I drink beer on YouTube? I don't know.
I'm pretty sure you know what, you're gonna get...
I'm only 18, YouTube.
Nah, man, he's like 22.
I'm not 22. How old are you, bro? I don't know. Yeah, he's 18. Have a beer.
Oh yes, this is that boy I wrestled with a while back.
Beat his ass.
I went easy on him.
Did you beat his ass?
Anyway, spit some bars for the camera so they know it's you. Charming. Alright, well this has been Prod...
The weirdest person to interview.
This is Prod Errol, everybody.
He gets his name wrong in different ways every time. I love
Well
it.
look, I don't watch you.
I don't watch me either. I am me. God, the smoke. Do drugs, kids.